Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sawmill Station 127. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Located in Winter Park, just 2.6 miles from Winter Park Resort, Sawmill Station 127 provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi. Composed of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with a hot tub and a bath or shower, this vacation home has a cable TV and DVD player. The vacation home also offers a well-equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge, as well as a hairdryer. The vacation home has a playground. Guests at Sawmill Station 127 can enjoy cycling nearby or make the most of the garden. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.